Oh my god! Oh la 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 la. Wonderful, gorgeous perfume. Exactly like I said, the perfect blend between Chanel No. 5, something very aldehyde, very soapy, something super powdery with the iris and the violet, like L'Heure Bleue. Bonjour, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you today for another perfume review. And for the subscribers here, I'm Alice and I review every week chic, classy, iconic perfume. I also do lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget also to leave a comment. And today I'm so excited to make this video. Today I'm going to unbox my favorite perfume, Oscar by Oscar de la Renta. I'm going to unbox the perfume and also do the live review. I've been waiting for this perfume for at least 2 weeks. Why I decided to buy this perfume? Last time I did a review about the best work perfume and I fall in love. I fall in love with a small sample from Esprit d'Oscar. I just fell in love with this perfume and I decided to buy the big bottle. So I bought the big bottle from Fragrance X. I think it's an American website. I just received the package. I was also looking for a casual soapy perfume, you know, when I have to do some errands in town, when I stay casual, when I will go to the gym, when I walk my dog, when I stay home. I was looking for something soapy, chic and feminine, and I think this perfume is just perfect. It's a great mix between actually Chanel No. 5 and L'Heure Bleue by Guerlain, which is also my favorite perfume. I just fall in love with the smell, guys. I love this perfume so much. This is such a chic, refined, elegant perfume. So I bought Esprit d'Oscar by Oscar de la Renta. I bought the Eau de Parfum version. This is the box. Look at how beautiful is it. I love also, you know, this little detail of Oscar de la Renta. This is the stamp, this is the signature flower. Beautiful, it's such a beautiful, I love Oscar de la Renta. It's so chic, so feminine, with this old school vibe. I love this brand. I love also the clothes, so chic. Oh my god, I also love, you know, the inside of the box. It says pink. I love this pink. It's pastel pink. I love, oh my god, I love everything about this perfume. Everything, even the packaging is so chic. So this is the bottle, Esprit d'Oscar. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love everything about this perfume. I love the smell. I love the bottle. Look at how beautiful is it. It's chic. Too bad now, you know, they make bottle in plastic. It's really too bad. I think everything should be in crystal or glass. So let me first present you this perfume, Esprit d'Oscar Eau de Parfum version, beautiful flower bottle. This is the updated modern version of Oscar de la Renta perfume. Oscar de la Renta perfume was the first perfume launched by Oscar de la Renta, and this is the modern interpretation of this original version. This perfume has been launched in 1977, so this is definitely a 70s perfume. You're gonna smell, of course, aldehyde, like most of the 70s perfume, they're full of aldehyde. But this version of Oscar de la Renta is very interesting, and of course, Oscar de la Renta is so different. So I decided to go something more flowery. Usually 70s perfume, they were very much cheap perfume, all of them. This one is more a flowery perfume, definitely oriental flowery perfume, not cheap. There's a lot of flowers, it's a little bit sweet. There's a lot of flowers, it's very soapy but full of flowers, and definitely the Oscar de la Renta touch signature with something very powdery, very feminine, a lot of iris and violets. So definitely something very Oscar de la Renta. So let me start to smell this perfume and to describe with you this one. So this perfume is really a mix, a perfect mix of Chanel No. 5 and L'Heure Bleue. You're gonna find something very soapy from Chanel No. 5. You know, Chanel No. 5 is super soapy, super intense. So you're gonna get a very soapy aldehyde on the opening. And with the iris and the violet, you're gonna get something very like L'Heure Bleue, super powdery, a little bit green. Oh my god! Oh la 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 la. Wonderful, gorgeous perfume. Exactly like I said, the perfect blend between Chanel No. 5, something very aldehyde, very soapy on the opening, and something super powdery with the iris and the violet, like L'Heure Bleue, but even more flowery than L'Heure Bleue. Even more flowery. It's exactly Chanel No. 5 and L'Heure Bleue. Oh la 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 la. I swear this is gorgeous, gorgeous, wonderful. Oh, the dry down is amazing. It's super powdery, but a little bit more flowery than L'Heure Bleue. I got definitely the vibe of L'Heure Bleue, but more flowery. I smell the jasmine, I smell Lily of the Valley, I smell a tint, a little bit of tuberose, but oh my gosh. So there is no aldehyde in the opening, but it's super soapy because of a white musk. There's a lot of white musk in the base, but I'm pretty sure it's not listed, but there is aldehyde, because you get this super soapy note on the opening. So on the opening, it's citrusy. I smell the Amalfi Coast lemon. Amalfi lemon, it's very, very sophisticated. The Amalfi lemon usually is more sophisticated than the regular lemon. It's more sweet, it's a little bit sweeter, and there's something so delicate, so smooth in the Amalfi lemon. I also smell the bergamot, exactly like, of course, like a little bit like Guerlain. Usually Guerlain put a lot of bergamot in their perfume. It's wonderful. It's a wonderful perfume. It's perfect for what I'm looking for. On the middle, it's dried and it's super powdery, but more flowery than L'Heure Bleue. You got the iris, the violet, the orange flower, the jasmine, the tuberose. I smell a little bit of Lily of the Valley. So there's white. It's a combination of, you know, whitey flowers and very super powdery iris and violet. That's why you get this vibe, the same vibe as L'Heure Bleue, but it's more whitey, more flowery. And on the base, it's very clean and very woodsy also. You got the vetiver, the heliotrope, the tonkabine, a little bit of vanilla, a musk ambergris, and vetiver. So to resume, it's citrusy on the opening, super soapy with the aldehyde and the white musk, and very powdery flowery. So perfect blend of Chanel No. 5, L'Heure Bleue, but more flowery with this white flowers direction. Oh la 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 la, it's wonderful, wonderful perfume. I'm so glad I found this one, you know. So let me perfume myself today, because I was waiting after this review to really try this one. I wait for you, beautiful, yeah. Wonderful. I was really looking for something like that. So it's gonna be my casual, chic, everyday feminine perfume. Definitely also I can wear this one for winter, for spring. I think it's all season one with something very timeless, all season. Beautiful, chic, feminine, elegant, soapy, but not too much. Wonderful. Thank you, Oscar de la Renta, to make like affordable but super chic, super elegant perfume. Beautiful perfume. I made a review of Oscar de la Renta Esprit d'Oscar, modern new version of the original Oscar de la Renta perfume. Beautiful, chic perfume, wonderful. I'm not disappointed. I do not regret my purchase. I love this perfume. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this little unboxing and review of Esprit d'Oscar. Don't forget to check my other videos. Don't forget also to subscribe, and I see you very soon for another video. Bye!